Hello everyone, welcome back to another petty sketch video. So today I did a sketch based on the heavy cat breathing meme. It's just a chubby cat breathing really hard, looking excited. I think it's a British short hair cat, but I'm not 100% sure. And as you can see here, I was trying something different. So I started my sketch using white paint on black background, but towards the end I kinda didn't like it. It looked super creepy and yeah, it's just terrible. I'll need to experiment some more drawing on black background, but generally speaking I don't think it works very well with a lot of drawings. It just makes the subject look a bit creepy and scary and weird for some reason. Having said that, I did not spend a lot of time on this. I guess with more time spent on any drawing, it'll look good, so it'll take more time for me to muck around and experiment. So I didn't like it at the end, so I just started over and drew on a white background, as per usual. Today, I'll be delving into some not so fun facts about heavy breathing in cats. Now, I am not a veterinarian, so please do not take my advice to heart. I'm just researching on Google. And if you see any symptoms of your cat having breathing problems, please go to a vet. Please go to a properly certified professional. So apparently there are 3 types of heavy breathing in cats. Now I'm not too sure if I'm pronouncing it right, but the first type is called dyspnea. It is labored breathing. The second type is called tachypnea, which is rapid and shallow breathing. And the third type is panting, which is rapid breathing with the mouth open, basically like a dog. So, some of the symptoms of dyspnea include their belly and chest moving a lot while breathing. Their breathing may be pretty noisy. Their nostrils might flare open. And the cats with dyspnea usually are restless and unable to sleep. Some of the more notable causes of dyspnea in cats are congestive heart failures. It could be some sort of disorder. The disorders could range from trachea disorders, nasal disorders, abdomen disorder, or chest wall disorders. It could be a myriad of different disorders. Or it could be diseases of the lungs or lower windpipe. And some of the more known diseases include feline asthma, pneumonia, pulmonary edema. And some of the more notable symptoms of tachypnea includes a bluish tint to the gums, and also constant fatigue or lethargy. So your cat basically is lazy to move because they have trouble breathing. So the causes of tachypnea include blood diseases such as hypoxemia and anemia, space-occupying tumor, heart failures or heartworms, a fever, or your cat may just be really nervous. Just like any animal, when they're put into a stressful situation, they will hyperventilate. And finally, panting. They basically pant like dogs, which cats usually do not do that. So some of the causes of panting may include when they're too hot, or when they're too excited and overexert themselves. Stress could be a common factor, heart problems, and asthma. Now, if your cat is heavy breathing after exercising or being chased around, playing around, that's completely normal, do not panic. But if they show any weird symptoms of heavy breathing, please go to a vet. Do not take my word for this, please see a professional. With that said, I think that's it for today, guys. Thank you all very much for watching till the end. I really appreciate it. As always, guys, stay happy, stay healthy, and have a great day. Bye!